Wonderful, wonderful. OpticStar AR19S 90mm f ratio 5.5 Achromatic. This is a Chinese telescope, and for the price you cannot get anything better. It's 90mm. It's for wide field practically observation of the night sky. So for planetary it's not useful. You can see some details, but not like a planet killer, like a telescope with a high f number. But what a wonderful thing for wide field. The build quality is like a Takahashi. Optically I don't think it's a Takahashi, but build quality is really good. Mechanically is really good. And I'm using a University Optics Konig 32mm eyepiece. Looking at the M15, I think, the Pegasus globular cluster. Beautiful, wide, very wide angle. I'm using the Skywatcher Nirvana 16mm. I can see the central part of the M15, the globular cluster, brighter, halo, dimmer. Can I see any individual stars? So that's out of question. And now I'm using the Televue Ethos 8mm 100 degrees. And the clouds and this light pollution is not on my side, so I'm not seeing any individual stars. Just a bright patch of the cluster looks bigger compared to the Nirvana 82 degrees field of view. Oh, hallelujah. With averted vision, and I can see some clumps of some knots of the stars gathering in small clumps. I don't think they're individual stars, but I can see a clump of several stars close together in the M15 globular cluster. So not bad, not bad. If ideal condition, probably I could see more. Also, if I could sit. This is amazing telescope. Using it, I feel I'm using a Dobsonian. Really wide field telescope. And of course I was using it on an Altair Sabra mount. And Skywatcher extension column. And the Celestron XLT EQ3 tripod. Takes everything. Sabra didn't have the counterweight shaft, so I just used the bar without actually any screw. And these are the counterweight weights for the EQ3 here. Fantastic telescope for under £200. when the dust cap goes in, so short. Yeah, 50 centimeter. And the telescope front cover is metal, also screwing. So we have to screw it in. Let's just see when I screw what will happen. Okay. Comes exactly flat and it is tightened. Horizontal. That's one of the qualities that the Questar they say had. At the cap, any position, if it is original cap of the telescope, if we come always horizontal in the tightest position.